You need to put your prices up. But how do you do that and feel comfortable with that? My name is Mark Wickersham. I help the accounting profession transform the way they price, master value pricing, and the author of a number of books and speak around the world on pricing. And one of the things I've identified is that as a profession, accountants, bookkeepers, our prices are way too low. We're too cheap. We're working crazy long hours for too little money. And part of that is because we feel uncomfortable. We feel like we shouldn't be charging higher prices. And this is a big problem. It's largely down to the feeling inside of our belief as to how much value we're giving and valuing ourselves. We have to change that. We can make a profound difference to people's lives. We are hugely valuable. We can change people's businesses. We can increase their profits, help them improve their cash flow, save them time. We can have a profound impact on what we do. So we need to become comfortable with charging the right prices. And that's part of value pricing. Value pricing means that we should be putting prices up and charging based on that value. And sometimes doing that means that for some services and for some clients, we should and could double prices. I've seen some accounting firms treble or even quadruple prices for doing similar things for clients as they did before. And some people are kind of shocked and think, I can't do that. That will be uncomfortable. But recognize this. Two really important points here is, number one, when you charge higher prices, you can do more for the clients. If we think about it, most clients, the ones that we like to have, the ambitious business owners, most clients want more from their accountant or their bookkeeper. They want more help, they want support, they want more. The trouble is we're unable to give them more because we're so busy. We're spending all of our available time crunching the numbers, producing the tax returns, the reports, doing the bookkeeping. And whilst that's all valuable stuff, where we really deliver even greater levels of value is when we help them save taxes, improve their cash flow, improve their profits, save their time, improve the efficiency of their business, grow their business, increase the value of their business. These are the things where the real value sits. But the trouble is, if we're too cheap with our prices, if our prices are too low, we find ourselves too busy, working too hard, and so something has to get left behind, and that's the added value stuff. When we charge higher prices, we become less busy because we can work with less people when we have higher prices, and therefore we can spend more time with our clients. And the more time that we spend is often the stuff that completely changes the value proposition completely. It changes their lives. So we have to recognize that when we charge higher prices, it's actually in the client's best interest. And that's the interesting thing about value pricing. Value pricing is we charge based on the value. If we add more value, we also put the price up. Both parties win. It's a win-win. Our goals are aligned. So we absolutely must feel comfortable. And the second and final point I want to make is when you are value pricing and you're involving the customer in the pricing process and you're giving them choices, ultimately only the customer can determine value. So if the client chooses one of your particular options, packages, and chooses various elements of that, even if you think it's a high price, to them, they see valuable. If the price is too high, the client won't choose it. So do not feel uncomfortable about charging higher prices. The client will be happy with those prices if they say yes, and it means you can now go one step further and really over-deliver, which is what I think as a profession we should be doing. We should be focused on the client and give them the very, very best service. If you like this video, if you agree, give it the thumbs up, please share it, and below this video I'll share with you some links for some other free resources. Thank you for watching.